Well, hello again, ChoroQ lovers. We have ChoroQ 0 number Z-17, which is a Nissan Laurel SGX 2000. Seems to, let's see, Z-17D. The D is the colorway. Yeah, this was, well, no, it's still taped here. I guess this is still new. Okay. Here. I was expecting like some sort of oily marks from the tires, but I guess not. I think this is a really stylish looking Nissan. Here's some modified ones, obviously. It's called the pig's butt because of this giant butt on the thing. Yeah, that's definitely foreshortened quite a bit. And then here we have the bumper with lights in the bumper, which actually doesn't make much sense to me, but alright. So this thing is a silver. It's well, you know, maybe it's not silver. It's actually a metallic gray. It might look silver on your screen, but for me, I think it's more like a gunmetal or a very light gray. But sadly, it's not really glossy. It's almost a matte finish. I don't know if that's intentional. It might be, because I know ChoroQ can make glossy cars. But this is like a satin or matte finish. That's interesting. Alright, well, you got some nice details here. Nice ribbing here on the hood. You got the grille texture, looks nice as well. And it looks like there's something printed in the grille. Let me zoom in here. First there's an L. So that's cool. Oh, it says 2000 and then 6. I'm imagining this must be a 2-liter 6-cylinder. Unfortunately, there's no extra paint here. Oh, you know what though? When I look at that first photo, it's just a white light. So maybe that's accurate. But this should be black here. And then sadly, it looks like there's a gouge. That might be my first ChoroQ 0 with a plastic defect like that. Yeah, so the headlights are silver. You can see this is silver, and then so yeah, the body is like a gray. Okay. Now I do see orange on the side marker of these other cars, so they skipped that effort. These are wheels I have never seen before from ChoroQ. It's a strange choice. They look like truck wheels. I guess they could be old school JDM wheels, those bolt together wheels. 2-piece wheels, 3-piece wheels. Alright, well, they're unique, so I'm going to leave them on here. Really small door handle creases and even smaller panel cut lines. They're so small, they're smaller than this dental pick. Some sort of badge print molding there. That molded in bumper. I can't tell if that's silver or not. I think it is. Wow, you know, it's really difficult. I think in this light right here, with my own eyes, this might be silver, and then that's still gray. Anyway, so this is red, so that's nice. There's a sticker, info. Okay, so this was produced in 2013. Alright, got all the necessary info to tell you who made it, when, and what it is. So that's nice. And there's a little silver exhaust. I think that might be a separate piece, actually. Interesting. The tires, yeah, they're really hard. Really hard rubber. I hope they don't crack in the future. That's what I'm afraid of with the ChoroQ Zeros. Alright, well, let's get the spinning thing out and look at some other things. So first we'll do some 164s. I have these Aoshima Garachan cars. These are really some of my favorite Garachans. In particular this pink, right? It's just like that photograph, although the molding is a little different. And I do actually have a stock looking one by Konami. Although I do feel the Konami casting isn't very good. The height of the side windows is too shallow. If you look at the photograph in the back, the window isn't that shallow. So I do feel that Aoshima did a better job capturing the greenhouse, the height of the greenhouse on this one. Alright, so there you can see the foreshortening. Maybe it was squished like 40%. Alright, I don't have any Laurels in ChoroQ form. This is a Leopard, this is a Nissan President, this is a Nissan Skyline, I forget which one though, and then this is a Nissan Cedric 230. So I do feel like essentially all the other ones I just put on there have more paint apps, more details. This one has the side markers, you know, and a police light. This one has back printing. It says Nissan and Leopard. This one doesn't have any printing on the back. This one has the side molding and orange turn signals. This one has a gold stripe, right? So all these are ChoroQ zeros. It's just that this one, for some reason, they really skimped out. The only thing that's really unique is the wheels, I guess. They're not standard wheels. But they definitely, yeah, it's missing a lot of details, which is unfortunate. Oh well, can't win them all. I've come to learn that. And then in this hobby, you just gotta kind of accept failures. Alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll stay tuned. You know I'm gonna get some more ChoroQs in, so yeah, stick around. Thanks.